Here's how I replace a can of soup with my pre-made dry mix. 1 tablespoon of butter per can we're going to replace. I'm doubling my recipe. Our flavoring, so I'm using diced mushrooms sauteed in the butter to make cream of mushroom soup. We're going to need 1 cup of liquid per can we replace. I'm going to use 2 cups of milk. There is milk powder in the dry mix, so you could use water. I like milk for cream of mushroom. Now we need 1/3 cup of our dry mix powder per can we're replacing, so I need 2. Whisk this in over medium heat. We're going to bring it up to a simmer. It will thicken quickly and it will thicken more as it cools. For cream of chicken, we're following the same process. 1 tablespoon of butter per can we replace, 1 cup of liquid, and a flavoring. So you can use broth, you can use stock, or you can use a cup of water with a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Then we need 1/3 cup dry powder per can we're replacing. We're going to whisk this over medium heat, bringing it up to a simmer. It will thicken as it cooks and will thicken as it cools. In no time, we have a thick and creamy cream of mushroom or a creamy and silky cream of chicken.